Welcome back to Kicking in the Second Half, Kish YZ. I have another unboxing video for you. Obviously, if you're finding out this video or Googling it, you know what the video is. You know what the shoes are all about. KD, yeah, I'd like to shout out KD. Hey, what's up, bro? I know you've been waiting for these shoes for me to do this unboxing video. So sorry, it's been a while before I could get to it, but I've had it for a couple days. I just had some stuff to do. But yeah, let me show y'all this box, because this box here, okay, this is just a shipping box, but what disappoints me here is this. Look at this right here. Like, the delivery man, all my unboxing videos so far, the boxes come in fine, except for this one, the sneakers box from the Nike SNKRS app. This is how I got these shoes. I won it through the raffle on the SNKRS app. If you've ever tried that, I'm sure you've taken some L's with that. I just took a couple more L's over the weekend. I wasn't even planning on getting these shoes. I just happened to be up around that time, and I looked at my phone, and the raffle was still going as far as the time frame you had to enter. So I was like, I'll give it a shot. And I kind of forgot about it. And then like 15, 20 minutes after the draw, I get a notification and an email that you got them. Like, congratulations on your purchase. I was like, oh, whoa. I was like, man, is this serious? Like, I had to go back and look at the email as well, and as well as that notification, just to verify that both of them said the same information. And that was crazy. So this is my first ever SNKRS app purchase through a raffle. Like I said, that was just crazy how that went down. But with that backstory, I felt like I don't know, I don't want to call anybody out, but it looks like UPS is what shipped this. And I don't know, maybe somebody tried to get their hands on one of these as well, or anything from the SNKRS app or from Nike, because of the tape here. Just do it tape. If you ever order anything from Nike, that's what you get as far as on the shipping box. And maybe he just, like, you know what, maybe he had bad luck that day, or didn't want to get the shoes, couldn't get the shoes either, and he just slammed the box into the shipping truck or whatever the case may be. And I just felt like the box was discriminated against because of the daggone tape on here. Like, dang. But anyway, let's open the box. Sorry, I gotta cut this a little bit across the top. And yeah, that's just disappointing to start off. So I'm hoping that this box looks decent, and I think it does. You know what I gotta do with this box? Throw it back here. Before I get into opening the sneakers, I want to let everybody know once again that this is Limb Loss Awareness Month, the month of April. And as far as me contributing to the limb loss awareness, I would like to donate $1 for every subscriber we have. By the end of the month, on May 1st, I would do that donation. So please give us a thumbs up if you're watching the video and you like it, but please also give us a subscribe if you're wanting to, you know, stick around for more videos and show support to our channel, as well as show support for the Limb Loss Awareness Foundation. If you're wanting to donate as well, you can at limblloss.org. I think that's, let me make sure. Actually, no, it's limbsforlife.org. Sorry, I've donated there earlier this month, but like I said, I wanted to do it again to show support for limb loss awareness. But yeah, limbsforlife.org is where you can donate. And as well, yeah, if you're watching our videos and you do subscribe, make sure you check out some of our other Shooz videos, as well as our podcasts on YouTube and on Spotify and Anchor.fm. You can find the only version of that podcast. We also do player breakdowns called PPFs of NBA players, where we discuss their past, present, and future. And we also do debates on there. So yeah, check out some of our other videos for our other content. But yeah, definitely stick around for our Shooz content as well, and check out some of the videos on that playlist. But yeah, let's get into this box here. So this is a regular black Nike box. I like this classic design of the black with the red. You know, some of the Jordan boxes had a bunch of graphics on it. I don't have a lot of Jordans, but you know, I've have a box that has different print on it. Maybe I'll have to do a Shooz video on that, kind of like a pre-release. It's nothing new, obviously, but yeah, here's the information on the box here if you want to see what that looks like. Official colorways. Well, I mean, everybody kind of knows what they are based off the title of the description, the title of the video here, Hyper Royal / White Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. So that's dope. That's dope. So like I said, I won this at a raffle, so I did get it for retail price, not the high markup that people are reselling for. And I don't plan on reselling these. I didn't get them for resale. I got them just because I wanted to try my luck at a raffle. And I also got them because I really wanted a pair of the Jordan 1 University Blues that had came out. How long has it been? Like a month now? And obviously we all know how that went if you didn't get a pair. Same here. Like if you tried and didn't get it, I feel you on that one. But I was able to get this. So let's get into it. Let's get into these shoes. And, oh, this got that old classic lid right here where you just pop the whole lid off. That smell. Yeah, yeah, just pop the lid off. So no fold-up lid, just a pop-off lid. So they're really going like, I guess original. Like even the paper is just like straight up OG, like white, plain box paper. No logos on it, just white. Looks like you got a Christmas gift from your Aunt Anne, and it's a box of clothes, and you just like, I didn't really want clothes. So let's unfold the first paper there, and there's the shoe right there. Look at that. Hey, that's got some royal blue laces here. That's cool. Didn't know it came with that. That might be interesting to pair up with that. You know, I'm a Duke fan, so that would kind of look good if I wore that with like a Duke shirt. Yeah, shout out to Hugh because you're a UVA fan, but that has nothing to do with that anyway. So, but yeah, let's open up the box. Take the shoe out of the box, and this is the left shoe here. So, you know, if you want to hear what the tongue sounds like, that's the tongue right there. Obviously, the lace is inside. So if you haven't seen any of these Jordan 1s, that's how they come in there. There's the Nike Air. Boom, my bad. Right there on the inside with the laces tucked in. So, yeah, a lace it yourself type of sneaker for those who have never seen a Jordan 1 outside the box or brand new. And okay, that came off. Yeah, so this is almost like, it's like a cloud blue, like denim like. It's kind of dope. I like the color effect. It looks just like the picture as far as what you see on the internet. Like this definitely looks the same in person. Nothing much more to add to that. There's the Wings logo from the, you know, the back in the day Jordans. And there's where that royal blue stands out on the shoe outside of if you equip it with these royal blue lacing here. So see that gray bottom. Yeah, just I guess OG because it just has all the Nike symbols on it. The Nike Air symbol on the tongue there. Let's get the other one out the box. So here's both pair right here. Yeah, this just mirrors the other side. So, you know, nothing going on here. Just everything's OG, just you know, different colorway, but keeping it classic, keeping it simple. 1984, 1985, MJ's rookie season. I mean, there's not a lot I could say here to surprise people who actually are coming here for the viewing of these sneakers. But, I mean, if you don't know what these are, I mean, maybe I could talk to you a little bit about them. But, yeah, just basically what you see, what you get. I just want to do an unboxing video because just obviously so many people know what a Jordan 1 looks like and the technology in it. I don't even going to go over that because I don't really know all the facts in it. Can you hoop in the sneaker? Sure, you can hoop in the sneaker. Jordan hooped in this sneaker in 1984-85. Do you want to play like it's 1984-1985? You might. You might want to play like that. Do I? No, I don't. I don't want to play like that. I want to wear something with more of a cushioning, more of a better setup, more traction. Just, I don't know. I mean, you know, hit me up in the comments if you played in the Jordan 1. That way people will know because I've never played in Jordan 1 and I don't plan on playing in the Jordan 1 as far as I can tell. So, yeah, I just think it's a dope looking sneaker, a lifestyle type of look for me where, you know, you can wear like some denim blue jeans or something like that. Obviously, you can wear like some gray joggers if you want to stay super chill with that, super comfy. Just accent it with anything. But yeah, you can definitely pull off some UNC gear with this, like just because of the different tones of blue with that roughness of the grayish white cloud looking pattern there with the colorway. And like I said, if you want to throw in those royal blue laces, you know, you can get away with some royal blue colors as well. Once again, tying into maybe like UNC Duke rivalry. So, you know, if you're looking into that and you're just like a big fan of college basketball and you're repping either or, you know, you can be a Duke fan and still rock these with the blue laces and wear your Duke shirt and, you know, watch that game of the rivalry between Duke and UNC. But yeah, it's not much I want to say about these. Like I said, it's just basically your normal unboxing video. And I just want to give you a look at the shoe once more. Let's go around this way. And yeah, good luck on the raffles. Do I know any tricks for the raffles? No, I don't know any tricks. Like I said, this is my first one. If you want to know any information about how I did it, I got on probably like halfway through the raffle, like 5 minutes into the raffle window. Obviously, I put in my information and everything. And it says you're entering the draw. I've been there, done that before. And like I said, it was actually minutes, like 20 minutes later or so, maybe 10. Maybe I just didn't check because I forgot. But like it felt like way longer after the draw ended is when I actually got the notification that I won the sneakers. Like I said, when you take an L on getting the sneakers, it doesn't take long for them to give you the notification as well as the email to back up the notification that you did not get the sneaker. So, like I said, unfortunately, that happens, and that didn't happen to me on this one. Yeah, I can't wait to do another one, but like I said, I don't know if it's possible to get 2 raffles, like in the same year or in general. I don't know. I don't do all the raffles, but usually it's something that I really want. So I want to put in for a raffle. And like I said, this one wasn't something I eyeballed, but when I saw it, I did, you know, put the little heart for like on the SNKRS app. And like I said, I happened to be up because I kind of forgot about it. And I was like, I'm going to put in for this because I didn't get the University Blues. I'm like, this looks similar, you know, on the pictures that you see on the internet as far as Google search. And yeah, like I said, in hand, I would say this looks just like the pictures you see on the internet. So yeah, not the University Blues, but the Hyper Roll is a close second for me. So if you can get a pair of these, or even if they're aftermarket sales, and you really want something that's similar to that colorway, and these happen to be cheaper, I don't know if they are, then yeah, for sure, by any means, go after it. I do think that it might be Finish Line or Hibbett's or something that is releasing a pair for general stock. I think it might be Finish Line this week, so look out for that if you're interested in getting a pair, because I think Hibbett did a drop the same day these came out in the SNKRS app, which I don't know if that was a raffle or not. I did try to get on there at one point just to double check, and obviously it wouldn't let me in the server, but like I said, I just wanted to see if it was available there, just because I did win these on the SNKRS app. I'm like, oh, maybe a lot of people didn't put in for it, but apparently that's not the case. I think all raffles, people, you know, I don't know how many people that put in for the raffles, but there's definitely a lot of entries for that, and I just happen to be one of the lucky ones to get this. But I like to, once again, yeah, show you this, and that was my story of what happened to me in the day that I got these sneakers. So once again, everybody, thank you for kicking in the second half. KishYZ, make sure you check us out on Spotify and Anchor.fm for our audio-only podcast, and obviously keep it here on our YouTube channel for our YouTube content with the podcasts and the player breakdowns and the debates and some other contents, as well as the shoes. We're starting to do some videos on that occasionally, and some or half of them so far have been unboxing. So we definitely would like to give y'all more of those. And like I said, give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe to stay up to date on our new drops, as well as support the Limbs for Loss charity this month of April. And I will be making that donation May 1st. Once again, this is Kicking in the Second Half. Peace and love.